Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can host a Next.js GitHub repo on Vercel. It's pretty simple to do, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it right now. First, you want to open up the Vercel dashboard and go to the overview page. From here, you want to go to the top right where you see Add New, and then click on Project. From here, you're going to need to import the Git repository, so you can either use one that you connect to your Vercel account, like I have mine connected to my Vercel account, or you could click the Import Third-Party Git repository if you want to do that instead. But I'm just going to import my repository right here, YouTube tutorial. It's a Next.js project, as you can see via the Next.js logo right here. And so what I'm going to do is click on where it says import. Here we can name the project different from the repo if we would like. I'm just going to keep it the repo name by itself. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that the framework preset is set to Next.js because this is a Next.js project. And I'm going to leave the root directory alone. Unless you have a custom setting for your root directory, you can just hit the edit button and then choose the root directory of your project. But I'm just going to keep it the default and click on where it says deploy. Now it's going to begin deploying that project. We can see the deployment queue here. This deployment process might take a few minutes in order to actually do everything it needs to do. But once it completes, you should see this congratulations screen saying that your project has been deployed to your Vercel account. And now we can go to where it says continue to dashboard. And now we can see that we can access this project inside of our Vercel dashboard. And if we want to go directly to the website, we can click on this link right here and then click on where it says visit. And now we can see that our Next.js project has been successfully hosted on Vercel. And we can go ahead and make any changes we want to on this page. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.